Welcome back on this Monday morning. So for today, we're going to have some light snow early on, and then for Wednesday and into Friday, we're going to have a storm system that'll bring in some rain. Eventually, we have a transition to some snow, and that'll accumulate on Friday. As far as temperatures early this week, we will see temperatures be more warm in the seasonal range in the 40s for a few days before we see another drop off in temperature. At the Mackinac Bridge, the fog is a little bit more dense now. So again, drive with caution as some areas are seeing visibilities down to about a quarter of a mile. Some light snow still traversing across the central and eastern counties of the UP, extending south into northern Wisconsin and for areas downstate. The northern Lower through Traverse City all the way down into parts of Cadillac, and we're seeing some light snow in those places with rain over into Kalamazoo, parts of Lansing, as well as Grand Rapids. That storm system, that little wave of energy tracks south of the UP. So we'll still have some light snow later on this morning. This is 11 o'clock in the morning. But for the afternoon, most of that precip should be out of the area. We are going to have some spotty precip at times this afternoon, mixed in with a few snowflakes and a little light drizzle. Snowfall amounts limited, up to around an inch across and along the Wisconsin state line, if that, but most areas less than that. Temperatures will be reaching generally the upper 30s with an east to northeast wind flow for today, about 8 to 12, lower 40s to the west, more of the 30s across the central and the eastern counties of the UP. Our next system will develop in the mid levels of the atmosphere by tomorrow in the northern plains. That area of low pressure will dig in and eventually kind of just hover over Wisconsin for a day or so. It's a slow-moving system that is actually going to bring in some rain for tomorrow night. So throughout the day tomorrow, we're quiet, but tomorrow night, this band of rain moves through into Wednesday morning. At times can be moderate to heavy. So Wednesday morning might be a morning to have the umbrella handy. I know it's been quite some time since we talked about umbrellas, but here we go for that. That initial band kind of moves out. We kind of get a little bit of a break for the bulk of Wednesday, and then we have a transition to snow as we head into Thursday. And eventually, as that storm system exits off to the east and southeast, we'll have some lingering cold air and snow on Friday. So it's going to be a multi-day system for us. Basically from Wednesday all the way through the end of the week, look for some slippery conditions with this precip and cooler air.
Today's Pat's waiting for forever.